My current major with UAT is Game Art and Animation. Today I will be going over my project Rendezvous. For this project, I wanted to go with something that I'm not familiar with while also incorporating aspects of my major into it. So, for starters, the idea behind Rendezvous is creating an app in which you can meet and socialize with new people. The app will also include an AR feature that allows for map guidance towards other users, as well as a feature that allows you to use your 3D models that are created during the registration process. The 3D models will include speech, actions, personalization, things like that. Now, the inspiration for this mainly rose from our current situation, which is COVID-19 and social distancing. I also had some inspiration from my more recent interest, which is augmented reality. So I wanted something that would include augmented reality, but also fit the current situation. So although the app will include some game aspects, it's mainly going to be focused on the socializing. So socializing will be happening through the chat function, and there will also be the function that allows you to select the person that you wish to speak to and not. Now, along with the AR function, of course, as mentioned before, and the creation of the 3D models that will be available, this allows users to interact via the 3D models rather than in person or in chat if not preferred, while also maintaining the social distancing. So, since I've discussed already the AR function, how it plays a major role in the innovativeness of the project, I want to go over the increased accessibility as well for other audiences, such as the younger audience that's below the 18 plus range. Now, that would also include a change in security, which hasn't been used or actually explored thoroughly before. So moving on, here we have maps of how the AR will work mostly. So on the left-hand side, we have the map in which you can see it'll be available basically indoors and outdoors, how the map or the little globe will look like, more or less the appearance, and how it's available through the phone and the tablet. The bottom right has the picture of the app itself. That is mostly for the 18 plus audience. Now, for the younger audience, the appearance may differ due to some restrictions, and for safety purposes and such, there's going to be a couple of restrictions for the younger audience. Now, going over the audience itself, the target will be anybody from ages 12 and up. Due to that, as mentioned before, the security will be different, so background check integration will be included, as well as notice of parental and guardian approval. With the younger audience, there is going to be few restrictions for the actual usage of the app, not only the appearance, but also what they can do within the app. So, moving on here, we have the competitors or also inspiration for Rendezvous. That would include, we have Bumble, Tinder, as well as Hinge. So these three apps all have many similarities. The main one that they all have, or most chatting platforms or any platform has, is the easy registration process. Now, with that easy registration comes its flaws as well. You can falsify any type of information, which can lead to unsecure communication. Now, another common feature of these apps is the ability, of course, to meet and communicate with other people, as well as showcasing your interest in business, such as is with the app Bumble. Now, for this case, it can be a little unfair for the younger audience who don't have an actual platform in which they can meet and interact with new people. So, finishing up here with this app, meeting and interacting with other people becomes available for many ages, for a broader audience basically, as well as including an innovative AR and gaming feature that allows for an entertaining way of communication. that is all I have for today. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day.